Howdy! Today I'm upgrading my garage door to a smart garage using MyQ. Inside the box is the hub, a mounting kit, the sensor, and a power supply. Alright, now it's time to get the MyQ system fully set up. The first step is downloading the app and creating an account. From there, the app actually walks you through the entire installation process step by step, which made this a lot easier than I expected. Next, I mounted the door sensor directly onto the garage door using the included adhesive strip. After that, pairing the system was easy. I just put the app into setup mode, pressed the learn button on my garage door opener, and within a few seconds, everything was connected and working properly. And finally, I mounted the hub on the wall near the opener. I just used the included hardware and placed it where it could easily connect to both the Wi-Fi and the garage door motor. After getting everything installed and tested, I totally get why these smart garage systems are so popular. This took my regular garage door and made it feel like a modern smart home feature in less than an hour. Definitely one of those upgrades where you wonder, why didn't I do this sooner? If you're thinking about doing this upgrade yourself, I'll have the MyQ product linked in the video description below. And if you like projects like this, DIY tech, home upgrades, be sure you've subscribed to my channel because I've got more coming soon. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one.